Do you suffer from clogged pores and closed comedones? You're not alone. It's the most common skincare concern faced by people. I have suffered from clogged pores and closed comedones for a significant amount of time in my life. Even now, if I slack a bit in taking care of my skin, they come back. So today I'm going to share with you my step-by-step routine and guideline for getting rid of clogged pores and closed comedones, explain why they happen and how you can prevent them from returning. Plus, I'll give you product recommendations and pro tip for long-term success. Now, let's get the quiz started. Closed comedones and clogged pores are sometimes used as different terms, but to me, they're basically the same thing. And once I explain the reason behind this, you'll also understand how similar they are. So what happens when you get clogged pores and closed comedones? So when you get clogged pores or closed comedones, you basically notice it in a few different ways. First, they might appear as little skin-colored bumps like these underneath your skin. Sometimes they might also appear whitish and usually on the chin area. Sometimes the little bumps might feel a bit harder, tempt you to squeeze out the ball underneath the skin. Or they might appear as a textured skin, meaning you don't see noticeable bumps, but overall your skin feels rough, uneven, and bumpy. Now, to treat the clogged pores and closed comedones, you first need to understand why they appear. It's always the key, understanding the reason behind the problem. What causes clogged pores and closed comedones? Let's break it down into three main culprits. Improper cleansing. Not cleansing thoroughly or using the wrong cleanser can leave behind makeup, SPF, and oil, which eventually clog your pores. So, if you swipe your toner or micellar water on your face after cleansing and see residue on the pad, it means your cleanser didn't do its job. Number 2. Comedogenic products. Certain ingredients and products might be comedogenic to you and clog your pores every time you use it. Now, it's definitely a very subjective term because comedogenicity varies for everyone, meaning which might be comedogenic for you might not be for others. And third reason could be sudden changes in oil production. Hormonal fluctuations or medications like Accutane can cause your oil glands to overproduce. It may also hamper your natural exfoliation process, which means your dead skin cells aren't being shed off regularly, resulting in clogged pores. Now that we've got the reasons, how do we solve the closed comedone issues? Step 1. Cleansing. Cleansing properly is the first step in preventing clogged pores. If you're wearing SPF or makeup daily, double cleansing can be a game changer for you. So, how should you double cleanse? Use an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, SPF, and excess oil. Massage the oil or balm onto your dry face for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Then add a little water to emulsify it. Lastly, wash it off with lukewarm water. And these are some of my recommendations for my favorite cleansing oils. Step 2. Use water-based cleanser to remove residue and leave the skin fresh. And these are some of my favorite water-based cleanser. Step 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliation removes the dead skin cells that contribute to clogged pores and allows your other products to work better. Chemical exfoliation like AHA or BHAs are gentle yet effective, while physical scrubs can be too abrasive and harm your skin barrier. Now, how often to exfoliate? Limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week to avoid over-exfoliation. And here's some recommendations for my favorite exfoliators. Step 3. Moisturizing. A good moisturizer seals in hydration and strengthens skin barrier. If you have oily skin, go for a light moisturizer. If you have dry skin, go for a heavier one. Again, some of my favorite moisturizers that I rave about. Step 4. Sunscreen, your skin's best friend. Now, sunscreen is a must. It protects your skin from the UV damage that can oxidize your sebum and worsen clogged pores. These two sunscreens are my current favorite. Why retinoids are game changers for clogged pores. Retinoids work by increasing the cell turnover, helping your skin to shed off dead skin cells faster. They also prevent the new clogged pores from forming, making them a long-term solution. While salicylic acid gets a lot of attention, using retinoids alongside salicylic acid are often more effective for addressing stubborn clogged pores. Now, what to expect when starting a retinoid? Be prepared for an initial purging phase where your skin pushes out clogged pores and imperfections. Stick with it. Results usually start to show within 3 to 6 months. How to start a retinoid? Start slow. Use it once a week for the first month and then gradually increase it to 2 to 3 times a week. Pair it with a hydrating routine to minimize irritation. These two are my all-time favorite retinoids. Now, some very important tips for success. Be patient. Skincare is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent with your routine, even if you don't see immediate results. Avoid adding too many products to prevent confusion and irritation. If you're dealing with clogged pores, I promise you, you're not alone. It takes time, consistency, and patience, but once you find the routine that works for you, your skin will thank you. And remember, no skin is perfect, and that's okay. The goal here isn't perfection. It's more about understanding your skin and giving it what it needs to feel healthy and balanced. If you've got more questions and need more tips, drop them in the comment box below. Let me know what works for you or what you're struggling with, because this is a journey we're on together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba, signing off today from Diba's Quest.